Attention to all members of the outer party. Our great nation, Oceania, is under attack by insurgents who want to remove Big Brother from power. They will not succeed if we all join forces and carry out a decisive victory. Cities like Colchester, Glasgow and Dublin have already fallen. The insurgents have overwhelmed the security forces and our resistance is fragmented. Civilian and military authorities are currently unavailable. For your safety, do not engage with enemy combatants. Ensure possession of your identity papers and start stockpiling rations. Big Brother is watching. Stay vigilant and remain loyal. Attention to all members of the outer party. Starting at 6 a.m. tomorrow, the Ministry of Peace will initiate a mass recruitment of combat-ready party members to reinforce the front lines. Attendance is mandatory for all eligible individuals aged 18 to 45. Failure to report will result in immediate disciplinary action. Large recruiting stations will be set up in Cambridge, Birmingham, Liverpool, Newcastle, Cork, and Sheffield. All members of the outer party are hereby ordered to relocate to these cities for mandatory conscription and assignment to active duty. Big Brother is watching. Stay vigilant and remain loyal.